Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google Family Link protection on your Poco X4 GT device. So, as you can see, the part of my apps are banned, are blocked, and now we will bypass it. We will bypass Google Family Link protection. So firstly, we need to open settings, then scroll down and find here Google. So open Google, scroll down, click manage your Google account, then choose, wait a while, click data and privacy, scroll down again, click delete your Google account, but not afraid, yeah. We will delete Google account now, but we will recover it in this video. So confirm your password if you know. And click next. Wait a while, scroll down, choose yes, and click delete account. Okay, sorry, we need to choose I understand that's a Google account I manage with Family Link for children, blah blah blah. Just click delete account, wait a while, and go back to your home screen, go back to your menu, apps menu, and as you can see, all my applications are unlocked now. So just wait a while, and cool, that's it. Now we need to just recover our Google account. We have 14 days for it, so just open Google Play, click sign in, enter email, click next. You will see this message, account deleted. Click next, enter your password, click next again. You will see a message about something went wrong. It's okay. Just enter your email again, click next again, enter your password last time. Click next, click I agree, scroll down, click accept, and cool, that's it. As you can see, Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. We can remove Google Family Link application from our device, and Google account was successfully recovered. Uninstall it, please. Uninstall. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.